You want to be a GenAI developer but haven't made your first LLM call? Let's fix that. So first, let's understand what exactly are LLMs. LLMs are models that are trained on huge data. We ourselves as individual cannot train a model on such a huge data. So companies like Google, OpenAI have already created these models and have made available to us through APIs. What are APIs? Think of it like a service is created by someone else and we can use that service using API. Today we are going to use the LLM model created by Google, Gemini model, and integrate into our LLM to make our first LLM call. Now let's search for Google AI Studio. You'll be actually seeing a dashboard like this. We need APIs. So here to the left hand side, you'll have to scroll down and then if you see the option of get API key, click on get API key, and then here you can see the option of create API key. Click on create API key, and we need a Gemini API key here. So I put it as Gemini API key only. So choose our import project. I am creating a new project. So I create it as first LLM call. So and then click on create key. Here you will have to copy the API key. Make sure you remember API keys are secret because it costs us money whatever the tokens that we are using. Make sure you don't make the API key visible. So copy the API key and keep it in your clipboard, and what you will have to do is you will have to create an env folder. So this env folder is a place where we are going to save the key and we are not going to make it visible for anyone. Your env folder example is to be something like this. And then you'll call it as Gemini API key and then put your key here. I'm going to show you .env example. Similarly, here you can save your API key. Now let us get into the code. If you see here, these are the libraries we have imported. Typically, you have to install library Google and .env. From that, we are going to load the env. That is, we are going to load the API key from the .env folder. And then from there, we are going to call the model and then generate the content of this model. How do you know the name of the model that you get? You have to go into Google AI Studio, go into playground, that is on the left side. In the playground, to the right side, you can see the names. Click on the names that come, model names that come up here, and then you get to select which model that you are using. So after that, you can see get codes. Click on get codes, and then from there, you can just copy paste the model name. You also here get the code. You can copy paste the entire code to generate the response also. So here, I am asking the question, explain RAG in one simple line. Let us see. If you see, this is my response. RAG is like giving the AI an open book exam, so it can look up specifically. This is a one simple explanation. If I'm going to change my question, then I'm going to get a different response. We have the response for LLM, but there is one problem. This LLM is only trained on general data available on the internet and it cannot remember the conversations. So in next episode, we are going to give this LLM memory, chat history. Bye.